Good morning, Fraser here with Elegant Auto Sales. Today I'm going to be doing a walk around of this 2012 Ram 1500 Sport. We're going to do the outside. We'll do the inside condition and features. I'll pop the hood, let you take a look at the engine. We'll turn it over, let you see the dash and all the lights. And then we'll get back to the engine so you can hear how it sounds. But first I'm just going to get outside condition, whatever features there may be. Then we'll get to the inside here in just a moment. I'm trying to get both angles for you as well so you can see condition for yourself. Big reason why we love doing these videos. It saves a bunch of time on both sides. You have a really good idea of what you're coming in to look at. But as you can see, it has rear tinted windows, the rain guards, the lift, the bed rails, backup sensors, tow pack. Has a bed liner with a hard tonneau cover. Get that in here for you. Hard tonneau cover. We'll get down here on tire size here in just a moment. It's a good looking truck, it really is. Let's get down here on tire size. Hopefully that helps you. This one has navigation and a few other options, but we'll get to that here in just a moment. As you can see, really good looking truck. Again, just getting those angles for you. Fog lights. Alright, let's get to the inside here. Power windows, power locks, the power seat. It has that cloth leather mix, and we'll get the condition of that for you. Don't see any rips or tears. Sunroof up there. Center console. Passenger seat here. Alright, let's grab the back seat real quick. We'll get to the features up front. Alright, let's get these features up front here. Steering wheel controls. There's a mileage there. But there's a media center, Sirius satellite radio, navigation. That in there the best I can, the four-wheel drive. Alright, and then up there is for the power slider in the rear. But let's take a look underneath the hood before we turn it over. And this is remote start too, both fobs. I think it's a really good feature, especially when it's really hot out or warm. Alright, or cold out. Now I do say this in my videos all the time, guys. I am far from mechanically inclined, but I do like to get this in here the best I can for you. Chances are, if you're looking at this one, you've looked at a few, so you know what you're looking for. Now, mind you, all of our vehicles, they do get plugged in, diagnosed, safety inspected, so please keep that in mind. Alright, now I'm really reaching here. Sorry, guys. Alright. Yeah, I think auto start's a nice feature, but let's turn it over. Let you see the mileage. No check engine lights, nothing like that. You got the navigation again. It's a nice feature, the Navi there. Alright, I'll turn on some lights as well. There it is, turn on. Hopefully this helps answer some questions. If there's anything I may have missed, or you'd like me to come out and take photos, shoot another video, walk around, whatever I can do to help, I'm happy to do it. Just give me a text or a call. I want to say thank you for your time and consideration, and hopefully we can earn your business. Enjoy your day.